Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Property Management 101. In this video, I'll provide an overview of disclosures that apply for all my videos on this channel. By watching any videos on this channel, you understand and agree to the terms that are outlined in this video. As part of my disclosure video, please watch my why I do this video as well. As a reminder for all the videos on this channel, if you find any of these videos helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. This channel is designed for the sharing of good practices that might be worthwhile using as part of your practices in the property management industry. With that though, I need to ensure that I properly inform you of all the things I feel I need to disclose prior to you implementing any of these practices. After watching any of my videos, if there's something that you're considering implementing as part of your best practices, prior to doing so, it is important that you confirm that you review those practices with the following parties and or agencies: your state and federal fair housing laws, your state real estate commission and rules and regulations, your local magistrate rules, contact your local and or company attorney, make sure these are in line with your company's policies and processes, and also review with your supervisor. Anything that is covered in any of these videos should be reviewed with at least the parties already mentioned to ensure that you're not in any type of violation. This practice of checking in with these parties should be done periodically as things change. I am not of any of the following: a CPA, work for an accounting firm, representative for a real estate firm, an attorney, a representative for a property management company, or on behalf of any agency that deals with property management. In no way myself or any of the companies I work for are liable for anything that is put into place that is covered in any of these videos on this channel. By watching any videos on this channel, you're agreeing to those terms. This channel is designed to share best practices of a basic understanding in property management. Due to this, I don't want this channel to be a place where we talk negatively about companies, vendors, or residents. Due to this, if I see any comments that are listing names or being used not to share best practices to help others, I will remove those comments. I have no problem at all with any of you sharing experience, but I'd kindly ask that you leave any actual names out. One more reminder: if you view any of these videos on this channel and you find this information helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing!